Well, we're here at Mumford Restoration taking a look at some of the furniture that just came in. But now remember, if you have anything sentimental or anything that's important to you, check with our team at mumfordrestoration.com and see what you can have restored. This is a leather chair and a leather ottoman that is probably from Indonesia. It is a really cool leather pattern. And this is the condition of the top. And you can see that we have made a brand new top for this chair. So this is the original leather with the braiding, and we've completely rebuilt, resewn, and new braiding, which really turned out well. A beautiful piece of furniture, and that was the leather strip that went along the edge, and we've made it all new. So check out what we can do with leather and any other products at mumfordrestoration.com.